morning.
Hey, what's up, everybody? We're here in Camden, Tennessee. I'm with Nicole Sauce.
Yeah.
Living Free, Tennessee. We're at the SOE compound with Amanda and John Willis. So this is an awesome event.
We're having fun today.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Somebody just came up to me and said, "I've learned so much today," and I said, "What are you demoing for the next one?" Because the way we put this together was just asking everybody in our two communities, who knows how to do something, come give a demo. And we ended up with welding, blacksmithing, cheese making, salad dressing making. We just did home security, like assessing your home security. John Willis will be up to talk about whatever John Willis wants to talk about in a little while. We got a ham radio demo coming, all sorts of really fun stuff.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. Stay tuned. Ranger Dave's coming with radio stuff. Living Free in Tennessee is how they can.
Yeah, livingfreeintennessee.com.
Reliance Festival. Don't miss the next one. See y'all later.
I'm going to do one of these. She said, how involved you want to be. So I want you to do it all, and I just want to take credit for it.
Right. That's where we're at today.
Who knows what SOE is? Who has been here? A lot of these guys I know from around the United States. I've known some of these guys 30, 35 years from different lives. I moved to Tennessee from San Diego. I have a YouTube channel with a few videos on it. I've got a couple people on Instagram and a few people on Facebook. I talk every night at 9 o'clock. You're welcome to join us on Facebook. We talk about whatever you want to talk about. Mostly this.
Mama sauce.
Who brought the cake?
Crispies.
Can we,
Is it keto, Chris? Keto cake.
Yay.
So can we sing happy birthday to Nicole?
Here we go.
Give
Yes.
you a score at the end.
All right, let's go. Happy birthday
to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nicole. Happy birthday to you.
Rule, you grew some grains, they fed it to the king's meat, you were allowed to keep a little of it, maybe you had a chicken or two. Why is that? Because it contained you and it kept you busy and indentured to the king. You were allowed to live there, you had to produce product, they let you eat a little of that product because it appeased you and it kept you busy. Just like today's society. Who controls things, who makes the rules, who manipulates everybody? The king does. The 1% owns 50% of everything, we have the other 50%. They want it, we don't want to sell it. They have to move you into lower class so that your stuff is defaulted on and they can then own your stuff. They don't want it, they don't need it, it's just a game at this point.
Like that NSW rig. Not one that John made.
Okay, and those would be two, they're either 5 or 10 or no. It's just an Italian.
And now I'm going to create more on the other axis. We're going to come back. Alright, now I don't want to move any more material so that I don't scratch it and start causing cracks. One more pass.
This is just
Side hustle.
Bring the neck out just a little bit.
You're only doing t-shirts for businesses now.
yeah. I mean, I do. Like, it's just not worth it. One or two.
Oh, yeah, of course.
Mark license code on Sunday.
Like a specific kind of egg, and they get to be a decent size. Not massive, but a good size.
Yeah.
My downfall is rearranging.
Yeah.
Liver is the ultimate superfood, okay? Right there. And any of you guys that don't believe that, where's Tad? Seeing here, he probably couldn't stand to listen to me. It's Tad,
right
there
here.
he is.
Yeah.
Tad thinks, Kermit thinks that Caleb has got a closet full of wheat, rice, and beans. But, and so one more very key
I'm the person you meet, and I am like pumped that the lights are going to go off. I get super excited. I use my mountain house, my lightweight stuff. Like in my car, I've got 4 mountain house books, right? So if I like get screwed, I've got some really good stuff to eat for 3 or 4 days while I'm rinky-tinky my ass back home. And then you've got to decide when you're moving to your long-term storage, which is your wheat, your bulk freeze-dried food, grains, this stuff like mountain house stuff, right? And if you really want to see the cost, I pulled out an American Survival Guide magazine from 1999. And a year's supply of Alpine Air, which was the good stuff, and it would be solid food, so it was 1,500 calories a day of solid food. It was about $900, $900,000 in 1999. It was a lot of money in 1999. Today, that same mountain house grade food is like $7 grand, right? And now it doesn't go bad. This stuff's lasts forever. But you're looking at a considerable amount of money investment to get the calories you need to be able to survive. So if you buy your supply of food at like 900 to 1,500 calories, and you take the liquids out of it, it's like 900, you need 3 of those per person, per adult person. And probably when your kids hit like teenager size, you're still running like they need 3,000 calories a day, because they're gonna be out working. My great-granddad went to the coal mines at 10, and I guarantee you he's working on his own.
A couple different things about optimizing your actual generation. So you can do a couple things. If you've got a lot of panels, you can put optimizers on every panel.
The rest of the class is going to go much smoother than this, I promise you.
So, I've been in this 5 months, made a lot of money. Taking my investments out, you know, taking my 10K originally back when I first started making it, because I didn't want to lose that original investment.
Tactical Response has 100 people for alumni.
What's up, everybody? I'm here with my boy John Willis in Camden, Tennessee, the SOE compound. We just had the Freedom Festival.
Freedom Festival.
You missed out.
You missed out. You should have come. We're going to do another one 3rd weekend of February. So if you want to come, you want to be a vendor, you want to attend, if you have some knowledge you can put forth, some value to add, get with us. We'll discuss that. Love to have you out. Sorry you didn't make it. It's too bad you guys sucked and didn't come this time.
Right. Where's all of our people at?
I don't know where all of our people are.
There's a lot of other people here.
There's a lot of people here I didn't know. I got new friends, and you guys,
you're on the bottom of the
down on the run.
Bottom on the pole. You better get over here in February.
You better make it up fast.
That's right. We'll catch you in February.
See you there.